We continue to dig for answers. This after a Wyandotte County deputy was charged with murder and the death of an inmate. Charges were filed against Deputy Richard Fatherley this afternoon. He has yet to be arrested.
I chose to summons him, and that allowed the process to move forward.
Highly unusual in a serious case.
We first reported on the death of Wyandotte County inmate Charles Adair in early July. He died during a struggle with jail employees, with one officer kneeling on Adair's back. Tonight, KSHB 41 News reporter Megan Abundance details what we know about the case and brings us the voice of a defense attorney for insight.
A Wyandotte County Sheriff's deputy was charged with involuntary manslaughter and second-degree murder charges in the death of an inmate. Deputy Richard Fatherley was employed here at the Wyandotte County Detention Center. We know he also worked with inmates in the courthouse, too. Wyco Sheriff's Deputy Richard Fatherley was placed on unpaid administrative leave. He worked here,
Working in the detention center,
for a year and 4 months. He's been charged with homicide.
we do not believe that this was an intentional act.
District Attorney Mark Dupree made clear the deputy suspect was not arrested and instead told to show up to court in November.
That is common practice when in this county where there are charges for officers.
We talked with defense attorney Greg Watt outside the detention center.
I'm telling you, that is absolutely not the norm.
Watt said especially so with a high-level offense like homicide.
A summons is not the norm. I've never seen it.
Usually, an arrest warrant is issued, a booking, and a bond. Watt says this is highly unusual, but Dupree said the deputy wasn't a flight risk and is cooperative. He did say there was a potential conflict of interest.
In this situation, the conflict is readily apparent.
It is likely that my office will be filing a request for an out-of-county judge to oversee this case.
It's very possible that the judge, the DA's office, all these individuals that have potentially worked alongside the accused.
Now, the fact finders, the jury, will have to find what was the result of Charles Adair's death. We know he died during a struggle with jail employees, including one who knelt on his back. So how much did Deputy Fatherley deviate from best practices when it comes to restraints or policing the situation? And the other side, looking at Adair's pre-existing health condition. Megan Abundance, KSHB 41 News.
So we know Charles Adair was in jail for facing multiple traffic tickets. He was 50 years old. The DA made sure to mention Fatherley was not a certified law enforcement officer and didn't do patrols. Fatherley faces up to a combined 52 years in prison.